Welcome back to Mama Smile channel, wholesome viewers. It's nice to have you back. So today we are going to be looking at an aspect under variation, which is direct proportion. Okay, so we have a given question on the screen, and the question goes thus: if P is directly proportional to Q, when P equals to 30, Q equals to 6. Find Q when P equals to 25 first. Then find P when Q equals to 3. All right, so let's solve the given question on the board. Okay, so we have P is directly proportional to Q, and that's the symbol for direct proportion, okay, or direct variation. So P is directly proportional to Q. All right, so we have P to be equals to 30, and we are given Q to be equals to 6. Good. So what are we expected to do here? Here we are asked to find we have to find Q when P equals to what's that? Okay, when P equals to 25 first. Then next, we will now look for P. We don't know P, so we'll look for P when Q equals to 3. Yeah, so we have P, we don't know, but we know Q to be equals to 3. Good. So now, first thing you need to note that we first of all need to find the equation connecting them. Yeah, it's very important for you to find the relationship or the equation connecting P and Q. And for us to get that, we need to introduce a constant. Yes, we need to introduce a constant K. So introducing constant K, bearing in mind that P is directly proportional to Q, it will now be equals to what? P equals to KQ. So you can see the introduction of the constant K there. K is constant. So we have to introduce that before we can determine the equation connecting them. That's what will lead us to the equation connecting them or the relationship. So from the given question, we are told that P equals to 30 and Q equals to 6. So we need to determine the value for K. So P equals to 30. We are substituting now. So K is constant and we have Q to be equals to 6. So this implies that when we divide both sides by 6, we are going to be getting the value for K. Yes, when we divide both sides by 6, we get a value for K. So let's divide both sides by 6. So we have 30 divided by 6 and K 6 equal divided by 6. Dividing both sides, 6 comes to 6. So K equals to what now? 5. So we've been able to determine the value for our constant K. And now we are going to be looking and seeing and getting the equation connecting P and Q. So we have P equals to KQ, and that implies that the equation connecting them will now be equals to P equals to 5Q. Yes, and that is the relationship between them, or that is the equation connecting them. P equals to 5Q. As easy as that. Good. Now let's move to the other part of the question that says we should find Q when P equals to 25. So how do we determine that? It's also easy. All we need to do here is for us to substitute. Writing out P equals to KQ, this will implies that since we are given P to be equals to 25 and we do not know the value for Q, we'll just substitute. So P equals to 25 and constant K. Luckily for us, we have K to be equals to 5, but we don't know Q. So also we divide both sides by 5. So that cancel out, and 25 divided by 5 gives us 5. So Q equals to what here now? 5. And that answers the question. You can see it's so easy here. Good. If you're able to substitute and divide, you are good to go. So Q equals to 5. So that takes us to the next question that says we should find P when Q equals to 3. the same method. Of course, we know P equals to KQ. So let's do simple substitution. P is what we do not know. Q is what we know, which is 3, and K is 5. So we have 5 times 3. So we have P equals to what now? 15. And that answers the question. And that is the end of today's class. Thank you for watching. So today you've been able to see that P equals to 15, Q equals to 5. And before we also gotten the equation connecting them, which is P equals to 5Q. And that answers the given questions. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.